This is going to be the last part of our series on linear equations. We have solving multi-step linear equations. For this lesson, it is expected that you have already done some work on distributive property as well as combining like terms. Well, you can do this also before doing the variables on both sides of the equation. Now again, we have our materials. We have the unit tiles, the xp's, our negative unit tiles, and then our fraction of xp's, as well as our negative xp's. So let's say we have 3 plus 4 times 2x minus 3 minus 5x is equal to 2x plus 3x minus 2 times 3x minus 1. So let's lay that out with our materials. Again, we have 3, there's our 3 units, plus 4 times 2x minus 3, meaning say we'll have 2x minus 3. So this one we have 2 x pieces and 3 negative tiles. 4 times of that, that's 1 time, 2 times, and then 3, then times 4. And then we'll have minus 5x. So we will take 5 negative x pieces there. And then it's equivalent to 2x plus 3x and then minus 2 times 3x minus 1. So with our distributive property, we will then have to distribute the negative sign. So that makes it a negative x piece. So we will have 3 x pieces that are negative, and then the opposite of negative 1, which is a positive 1. We'll take this set 2 times. There. So that's negative 2 times 3x minus 1. Wow, how will we ever figure out what x is? There's so much here. What do you think? So what we can do is consolidate all the x's on the left and the units on the left and the same thing on the right. Right now, they're all scattered all over. So we're going to organize everything. There. We'll have to put together our x pieces as well as our units. And then we will have to pair up also our x pieces in such a way that they make 0 pairs. So with our 0 pairs, here we have a negative x piece and then a positive x piece. This pair is equivalent to 0, so we'll take that out. And then another one, another 0 pair, and then another. Same thing also with our right side. There. So let's also have our units. What else can we take away? There's nothing else. We'll put them together. What we have done is we gathered like terms. We did not change any amounts on either side of the equal sign. We just made everything simpler by combining like terms. Let's show this with our writing. So here we have 3x minus 9 is equal to negative x plus 2. What we have done is we gathered like terms. We did not change any amounts on either side of the equal sign. We just made everything simpler by combining like terms. Let's show this with our writing. So again, we have 3 plus 4 times 2x minus 3 minus 5x. That's equal to 2x plus 3x minus 2 times 3x minus 1. So first, we have our 3. And then, with our 4, we have to distribute this 4 to our 2x minus 3. So 2x times 4, we have 8x, and 4 times negative 3 gives us negative 12. Then we just have to copy minus 5x. Then on the other side, we have 2x plus 3x. Then distribute negative 2 to 3x minus 1. So that gives us negative x, and then negative 2 times negative 1 will give us positive 2. Then we'll put everything together. So we have here 8x and negative 5x will be combined into 3x. And then we have 3 and negative 12 put together will give us negative 9. On the other side, we can put together 2x plus 3x minus 6x. That leaves us with negative x. And then copy the remaining units, we have positive 2. So that leaves us with 3x minus 9 is equal to negative x plus 2. So here we have 3x pieces and 9 negative unit tiles, and then on the right side we have 1 negative x piece and 2 positive units. But then again, we have to find the value of our x. So what are we going to do with the negative x piece on our right? We can actually pair it up with a positive x piece in order to create 0 pairs. So here, as we add 1 positive x piece on our right, we will have to do the same also with our left. So that gives us a negative x and a positive x. I'll have 0. So I'll take that away. Now, what do we have left? When we see lots of terms on one side of the equation, before we deal with both sides, we should just deal with one at a time. Simplify it as much as we can and then try to solve for x. So what really is 3x minus 9 equal to negative x plus 2? Let me know your answers by leaving some comments below. So again, this is solving multi-step linear equations.